for this FPV video of the glider, and here it is. We got the GoPro on it. We got a pretty nice day over at Brandenburg, and it's flying pretty good. Get some down trim there. It looks pretty cool. I really like flying with the GoPro. We're new to this, flying with the GoPro. We just got a video out cable. Really liking that. But the glider does fly really well with the GoPro and some FPV equipment up here. I'm noticing that last time we flew with the 2200 up at the front, and that penetrated way better than this 1300 I have in it now. Still need some down. But yeah, if you're gonna fly in the wind, I would definitely recommend a 2200 for added weight and penetration. As you can see, we're not too high up. Go ahead and look at that. Just floating up there. It's pretty nice. I just wish there wasn't these lines on the thing. The wide angle is a great plus to flying with the GoPro. It's so much better. Our other CCD FPV screen had like a 25-degree field of view, and GoPro was like 120 or something like that. And that's amazing, because I can see really far to my left and right. Got this car. Down the street. Come around by us for a pass. I'm gonna see if I can't go low down that street out here. Here it goes. Going low. Some power lines. Yeah, that's cool. That was cool. Whoa. Tree. This is cool. Flying out in the field. See, look at this, Ethan. Look. Just short range, aerobatic flying. No, not aerobatic, just kidding. It's really fun. Great plane for FPV. I really like it. Even in the wind, it's pretty good, but I bet it would be amazing in really good conditions. But it's handling just fine for right now. A little Bobby. I put the gyro we got on it. We got from Hobby King for free as a free gift. They sent us a FUBAR 3-axis gyro. Oh, there's the plane. It's pretty cool. Go ahead and look at this, Ethan. Try to get some footage of that. Nice and high. It needs the power. Just glide. Wow, that's nice. That's really nice. It's a lot of fun. Go ahead and bring the power back. Early Saturday mornings, pretty good for FPV. flight poles. Yay. Awesome. This is really cool. I like this. Flying low. Battery's getting a little low. I'm going to bring it around in here for a landing. I did install flaps if you saw the glider mod video, and I'll definitely be using those today. Alright, then record the landing. Here we go. Overall, you guys requested the video. Here it is. Just in case you want to know, it's a great plane. Great FPV plane too. Carries GoPro nice. Does all that stuff just fine. Viewing it. Well, that's about it. Thanks guys for watching. This has been Jago from Hillcrest RC Flyers.